It's the holiday season, and Jesus is the reason for the season. But the garden must still grow on. Let's take a walk in the garden. It's a little chilly out here. It's about 56 degrees. I need to get a new microphone because I broke my microphone, so I have to do this voiceover. Ooh, a little morning dew over my brassicas. I have my cauliflower, collards, Brussels sprouts, and spinach. And one small beet. I hope I get one this year. And I got to walk over to the Vigo garden bed, and it looks beautiful. I have Brussels sprouts in the back, celery, and I finally got my carrots. I need to thin those out. And a couple of onions. I have broccoli, beets. I have a red beet and a golden beet, celery, curly mustard, I have a purple cabbage in the back, another cauliflower in the middle. I started the onions from seed and I up potted them and then planted them out in the Vigo garden bed. I have 2 or 3 videos on how I started my onion seeds, and they are looking good. And garlic. My lemon and lime tree got a haircut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.